Have you ever wondered what really separates a massive data center from a home lab sitting under someone's desk? Same technology, totally different worlds. Let's break it down. A data center is a dedicated facility, housing thousands, sometimes millions of servers. It runs on industrial-grade power and cooling, managed by full-time engineering teams. The goal? Maximum uptime. 5 nines. That's 99.999% availability. Enterprise security at every level, physical and digital. A home lab is the opposite in almost every way. It's personal hardware, maybe an old laptop, a mini PC, or U server, sitting in your bedroom or garage. You use it to learn, to experiment, to self-host your own services. And most importantly, you are the sysadmin, the network engineer, and the janitor, all in one. The first big difference is scale. Data centers run thousands of enterprise-grade servers with redundant power supplies and auto-scaling infrastructure. A home lab runs 1 to 10 nodes, whatever you can afford or find secondhand. Consumer or prosumer hardware. Single home circuit. Manual everything. Power and cooling is where things get really interesting. Data centers draw megawatts from dedicated substations. Precision cooling units, hot aisle, cold aisle containment. Plus N+1 generator redundancy with dual grid feeds. Your home lab? A standard home outlet. Maybe a quiet case fan. And if the power goes out, your lab goes down. Now let's talk money. Building a data center costs anywhere from $10 million to over $1 billion per facility. Monthly operating costs? $50,000 to $500,000. In power, staff, and infrastructure alone. A home lab? Start for $50 to $500. Run it for $5 to $50 a month in electricity. The barrier to entry couldn't be more different. Here's the truth about these two worlds. Data centers power the internet, massive, redundant, always on. Home labs power your career, cheap, flexible, and the best way to build real skills. The technology underneath is exactly the same. VLANs, virtual machines, containers, firewalls, just at different scales. So start your home lab, learn the concepts, and you'll speak the same language as data center engineers. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and check out the full series on cybersecurity awareness. See you in the next one.